Spark plug tube seals. If you got oil where your coil goes, spark plugs, could be these that are bad. Now this is a cast aluminum valve cover, and there's no way to pound these out through the front. A lot of them you can, these ones you can't. And they get old and stiff over time, and they can be a real pain in the ass. You can apply a heat gun to them to see if that helps, but we're just gonna go right at it. We're gonna grab the edge of the seal wherever we can with a small screwdriver. See how we're kind of bending that seal in? It's all metal exterior, rubber interior. You don't want to score the sealing surface here. You don't really want to scratch up the cast aluminum there, but you want to get a good bend going. And you want to do this in 2 or 3 locations. And these are sit down in there pretty good. They don't really want to bend for me that well. It helps to have somebody helping you so you can hold on to these. And like I said, cast aluminum, you don't want to tighten them too much. You don't want to break a valve cover today. But you got to get them to hold still, because it takes some force to get these suckers out. I'm going straight down with the screwdriver, then coming inwards towards the circle as I get some taps in. I've only had success in the one spot, but maybe that's enough. Harbor Freight seal remover. Now without bending these, you'd think you'd be able to get this remover on there, but you can't. There it goes. All right, so we got a nice clean hole here. I already did the other one, and one of them was all pitted out. So that's not cool, but it happens. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2. I didn't think it would come out with just one good one in there, but it did. Give them a little cleaning if you need to. This is a soft wire wheel. And I got a little bit of silicone-based grease that I'm going to put on the inside of here to help press our new one in. There we go. That side I was able to get a really good grip on and really go to town on it and pop it out. That worked out good. I like that. One more. Ooh, that one came out good for me too. Sometimes they can be pretty annoying, and sometimes they work out. Just trying to dish out some tricks and tips. There's all different styles of tube seals, and the other side gave me much more trouble. They just didn't want to bend. They were stuck and hardened and molded in there, but you know, sometimes it works out. Maybe the other side gave me more problems because these look perfect. The other side was all pitted, especially on the center one. It was concerning, but it was on this one surface that I'm not, that's where the worst was. I wasn't concerned about the area the major pitting was in as far as everything working out, but I think it kind of, the pitting dug into the seal. It's kind of strange. Got our new tube seals right here. They go in this way on this vehicle. See the hump? It seals against the surface of the head. So that's why the hump is that way. Push them in as much as you can by hand. Grab yourself a socket that fits over the exterior of the seal, because we're going to flush out this flat line with the surface of the valve cover, and we don't want to smush this raised part that does the sealing. Watch to see if one lip is going down further than the other and just adjust your pressure. You kind of hear a different noise when it bottoms out. They're in there pretty tight. Like they don't just slip right in there or pull right out, that's for sure. Maybe go one size smaller with my socket. There we go, I like that better. A little more on this side. Yeah, that should be good enough for sealing. Now we want to clean our gasket surface. This one's really clean, so just brake cleaner will do. Go ahead and clean out the inside of your valve cover too before you start all this crap. Little blowout with my blower tool. Storming outside. A little bit of grease for where these inserts are going to scrape the edge of the tubes. Nothing on our sealing surface right here, this hump. Now we move on to our grommets. Woo! Around our bolts. Those are going in there. These just pulled right out of there with slight force, not much. Gonna separate the metal cap from the rubber. I think the easiest way is just to cut them like that. Cut the rubber off because they get dry. It's over time. It's so hard to shove over the lip. There we go. So that's off. Washer will now slide off. We take one of our new grommetsers right here, put it on, and then socket, right here it is. To push it right over, and now our bolts are ready to go into our valve cover. Bada boom, valve cover prep.